Here's how to fix install driver to show hardware error Windows 11. First is on the Windows 11 setup, click on the browse options and then afterwards what you need to do is to put on a USB to the USB panel options of your laptop. Now, after doing that, the next thing that you're going to do is go to your laptop or to your Windows 11 device and then afterwards redirect yourself to the Windows 11 Installations Assistant. And then afterwards, once you're already on the Installation Assistant, click on the Download Now options. After clicking now the download options, what you need to do is to click on the new folder and you will be able to see there the file that you need to zip out to your Windows 11. And then after zipping it out, what you need to do is to go ahead and go to the drive properties and click on the start options so that you can go ahead and show the hardware error Windows 11.